Doesn't live up to my expectations, I'm going to start taking his minutes away. I told him that. But honestly, John is such, I mean, he's such an incredible player, man. He really is, and I'm so lucky to have him. But John, I got a text from, what's the NBA player from the Warriors that we played against in Sacramento? Kent Basemore. I got a text from him 2 weeks ago when we were kind of struggling a little bit. I got a text from them 2 weeks ago, and they were like, how's John doing? They remember John in Sacramento, how well he played against the Sacramento King guys, and when we're in Sacramento, and they go, don't worry about it, that kid's tough, and he's going to bounce back. And so so both of them played incredible in Sacramento against NBA talents and MG League players. And so what I envision, again, at the beginning of the season, they're bringing it at the right time. You know, you know how this season goes. You rather be trending the way we are right now in the second round than other teams are going through some situations. So John is he's actually been my guy since I've been here. He's just been phenomenal. Now today was the best. I think he continues to play defense today. I kept reminding defense, and that's gonna make him so much more successful because he's a tough cover offensively, as long as he don't give up the points on the other end. So therefore, that's how you win games. So, and that goes for Jordan too. They both stepped their defense up in the last two games, which you know, I guess put that on me. So I should have put that a little bit. I should have had that conversation with them maybe back in September, then waiting till October. So, yeah.
And follow up dyan, ano reaction mo sa sinabi mo?
Wala lang. Parang nasanay na din kasi ako kay Coach Sean eh. Kasi lagi naman ako nire-remind lagi eh. So, yun, nasanay na din ako sa ganung binibigay niya sa akin na kumpiyansa. So, yun, parang...
Pero ayun, para sa sarili mo, ano masabi mo na may personal growth ka as a player?
Syempre masaya kasi alam mo na natin, sobrang pangit na pinakita ko last season. Nung second round na ako nakabawi, doon na ako naka-feel nung college basketball talaga. So, nung iniisip ko talaga nung unang first round pa talaga, yung first round pa lang na alam ko na yung feeling dati. So, parang yung mga pagkakamali na mali ko dati, parang na-avoid ko na ngayon. So, yun, doon lang naman ako nag-adjust talaga.